Hey y'all, how about today? We make egg salad, only it's not eggs. It's not even what you're thinking. It's not even on your radar. It's gonna blow your mind, and it's amazing. Let's begin. Hey y'all, how about today? Plant-based foodies on. How to make them. Let's begin. Okay, this is very, very easy recipe. A little strange, but super easy. So you're gonna start with a Yukon Gold potato, a pretty good size one. You want it to be about 3/4 of a pound. So mine was just like just one potato. You're gonna peel it, wash it, peel it, and then you're gonna chunk it up into pretty big chunks, and then you're gonna steam it for like 15 to 20 minutes because you want it pretty tender, not falling apart, but pretty tender, and you're gonna let it cool. And then I'm gonna use my NutriBullet today instead of my big old blender because it's an easy thing to do. So you're gonna put it in your NutriBullet or your blender. To that, my cheat sheet. You're going to add a 1/2 cup of your plant milk, unsweetened, unflavored plant milk. And then your, this is yellow mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of yellow mustard goes in there. So this, you're thinking like when I say egg salad made from potatoes, you're thinking, oh, the potatoes are gonna be like the chunks of egg, and no. They're not. This is gonna be like the mayonnaise kind of for it. So this is just like turmeric, like, I don't know, 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon. I almost said cup. And then this is some of that black salt. It's about, again, 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon of that. That's gonna give us our real eggy flavor. And then you're just gonna pulse it until it's, whoo, that egg salt smells bad. Or not egg, black salt. Oh, so weird. You're just gonna pulse it a few times till it gets real smooth. Bugsy loves this thing. But if you overwork your potatoes, you know, they get real gummy. So you wanna be careful not to do that. So see, literally, just like a few times. Smell that salt. Pretty smooth. A few chunks. You don't want it, again, to be like a mashed potato, because if you overwork potatoes, they get gummy and are really inedible. So, we are going to dump this out. You got a mild case of COVID, and when I would do stuff with this black salt, it was kind of a blessing because I couldn't smell it. That was a while back though. Okay. Put that in your bowl. And to this, we're going to add, this is about 1/4 cup of celery that's finely diced. So it's like roughly 1 stalk. And then this is 1/4 cup of green onion, the green and the white parts that's been diced. 1/4 cup, you know, depending on how big they are, it's about 1 or 2 stalks. Okay, so then in here I have kind of like the seasonings we like to add to it. Some dill, dry dill, probably about 1/2 to a teaspoon of it. Some relish, some sweet pickle relish, probably a couple teaspoons of that. And then some Tony's, the Tony's Cajun seasoning, probably 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of that. Think potato salad. What did you put? I'm not potato salad. Egg salad. What did you put in your egg salad when you used to make egg salad? And go from there, you know. taste it, add a little, if you like a little more spice, some cayenne would be fine in here. Whatever your family likes. Taste, 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 and see what's missing. And go from there. And then this is what's gonna give us our eggy texture. This is one 14-ounce jar of hearts of palm that have been drained and diced. And it kind of looks like chopped egg whites. Dump that in there. And then just some salt and pepper to taste. He's trying to cut back on salt, so I'm not gonna put as much. And just give it a mix. Think about what you used to put in egg salad. You know, the flavors, the seasonings. Add it. How easy was that, y'all? A few seconds. Took longer to cut the potatoes than it did to make this. And there is your plant-based, whole food egg salad. That is so, so good. You can totally put it on some bread with some lettuce and tomato and make you a sandwich. How delicious would that be? Super easy, super delicious. So be sure to like and subscribe and share and try the recipes. Be blessed, y'all.